Have you ever wondered, how did money actually begin? Before coins, credit cards, or even paper notes, humans still traded, built societies, and grew rich, but without money. So how did we move from exchanging cows and grain to the digital dollars we use today? Let's travel back thousands of years to uncover the fascinating story of how money came to the world. Our story begins more than 10,000 years ago. In early human societies, there were no coins, no notes, and no banks. People survived by trading goods directly, a system known as barter. A farmer might trade a bag of rice for a fisherman's catch. A potter could exchange clay pots for some goat milk. But barter had a big problem. It only worked when both people wanted exactly what the other had. That's called the double coincidence of wants. If you had salt but wanted shoes and the shoemaker didn't need salt, no deal. Around 3000 BCE, ancient civilizations like Mesopotamia and Egypt began using commodity money, valuable goods that could be traded anywhere. Items like gold, silver, salt, shells, and even spices became early forms of money. Why? Because they were rare, durable, and easily divisible. For example, in Africa, people used cowrie shells as currency for over 1,000 years. In ancient Rome, salt was so valuable that soldiers were sometimes paid with it. That's where the word salary actually comes from. Commodity money worked better than barter, but it still wasn't perfect. Carrying bags of gold or salt wasn't exactly convenient. Around 600 BCE, in the Kingdom of Lydia, modern-day Turkey, the first metal coins were minted. These coins were made from a gold-silver mix called electrum, stamped with symbols of authority, proof that they were genuine and valuable. Coins made trade faster, easier, and more trustworthy. Over time, other empires, the Greeks, Persians, and Romans, spread coinage across the ancient world. People could now store wealth, pay soldiers, and collect taxes with metal money. For the first time in history, money had an official value set by governments, not by the objects themselves. As trade expanded, carrying metal coins over long distances became risky and heavy. So around the 7th century, China invented something incredible: paper money. Merchants started using promissory notes, pieces of paper representing the value of coins stored safely elsewhere. By the 11th century, under the Song dynasty, paper money was officially issued by the government. It was lighter, easier to carry, and much safer. The world's first banknotes were born. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and beyond. As commerce grew, banks emerged. People deposited coins for safekeeping and received receipts that worked like money. Eventually, banks began creating credit, leading to the birth of modern financial systems. By the 20th century, paper notes turned into plastic cards and then into digital money. Today, most of the world's wealth exists not as cash, but as numbers on a screen. From trading cows to crypto coins, the journey of money is still evolving. Now we have digital wallets, mobile payments, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Some say the future of money might be fully digital, controlled by algorithms instead of banks. But whatever form it takes, one thing will always remain the same. Money is a story we all agree to believe in. It's not just paper or metal. It's trust, the invisible thread that connects every trade, every business, and every dream. So next time you spend a coin or tap your card, remember, you're part of a 10,000-year story of human creativity and trust. That's how money came to the world. What do you guys think will happen to money in the future? Drop a comment below, friends.